welcome to another Form Titan video, and in this video we'll talk about how to use SSO logout in a button. So what I'll do is I'll get a button in here, and this is one of the many crucial steps you'll have to do as long as you've got your SSO configured. You just need to set this to SSO logout and you're good to go. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how this works. If I go to my form, my account, and then we'll go to push settings / logs. And this is my SSO here, so I'm going to go ahead and grant it an access. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some data in here. So we'll do logout service. We'll go in here. So let's get some data in here first. This one will go in the login. This one will go in the logout. And then finally we can do logout redirect as well. Like this. Okay, finally I'll add a certificate. Alright, here's my certificate and I've added it. Now let's go and test. Alright, this is what it looks like. Good. I'm going to enter my details in here. We'll continue. Password. Continue. And now you can see the SSO will now be fully authenticated. Okay, so you can check do not force authentication and then click apply. Now it's been granted. Now let's go back to my form here. So let's go and look for my form, which is the SSO logout. And now under form limits, we'll check SSO, click configure, make sure SSO is granted. This is good to go. I'll just give it my fields, one field only. This doesn't matter so much. Click save and then preview. Alright, so now you can see that it's granted, it's authenticated with an SSO, and all you have to do is click log out, and then it logs you out just like that. And this is how it works. So SSO logout, all you need to do is set the button, make sure your SSO is authenticated, and once it's authenticated, all you simply have to do is preview the form and then log out. So log back in here quickly to make sure that we authenticate it again. And you can redirect to anywhere you want really, so it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. It's just taking me back to one login here for now, which is the dev environment. So look, it's authenticated, we're in. Now if I click log out, and it's back here. And this is how it's done.